Instagram just added 3 really useful features couple of days back, and one of them is something Android users have been waiting for years. So let me show you what changed. First, full screen. Until now, on iPhone, you could simply pinch in on a reel and make it full screen. Android never had this feature. But now, just long press on a reel and you will get a full screen option. Once you enable it, Instagram hides all the on-screen controls like likes, comments and the description. So you can watch the reel without any distracting buttons. This is useful when a reel has tiny text or subtitles that are difficult to read. Second, and probably my favorite feature, playback speed. In the same long press menu, you can now slow down a reel to 0.5 times or speed it up all the way to 2 times. So if someone is explaining something way too fast, you can slow it down. And if you are watching a long video, just go 2 times. And third, auto scroll feature. In the same long press menu, you also get the option to enable or disable auto scroll. Turn it on and it automatically moves to the next reel when the current one finishes. So you can put your phone down and let reels keep going without touching the screen. And if you actually want to stay on the current reel, just turn auto scroll off. I am currently running on version 442. Instagram is rolling this out gradually, so update the app to the latest version available and see if you have these features yet. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.